Today, I changed the oil in the Mercedes. This is the Mercedes in question. First step I'm gonna do is I'm gonna line the Mercedes up with these ramps. I'm gonna try and lift it up. Alright, looks like they're a little too far left. A little too far left than I want them. I'm gonna pull it up. Kind of making a guess. Alright, I'm gonna get out and I'm gonna adjust. And that's kind of how the process goes. I guess, I adjust, I guess, I adjust, and it keeps getting a little bit closer, and it requires a little bit less and a little bit less guessing. This is how it looks after the first adjustment. I think that's good. Yeah, I think I'm gonna try and pull it on up like this. A ver. Yeah, I like it. Need a little bit more. That sounds like a winner. Yeah, that's beautiful. Next, I gotta take out this undercarriage. This Mercedes got a little bitty bolts down here. I'm hitting it with this 8, and they're just tiny. I got it on by 4 bolts. I know that's not how it originally was. Here's my drain plug. One thing I'm making sure I do now is take the top off of the oil of the motor, the oil side of the motor. I don't know. I believe you gotta do it. It's just, I think it helps. I think it helps everything flow through. Yep. Now I'm gonna get under there. I'm gonna take the drain plug off. I'm guessing it's a 14 socket. I might have to change that for a 13. Let's see. I did it. Where's my little? I got. I don't know. Where's that? Yeah, okay. Just gonna shoot it first, and it's actually 7 quarts, and I got 5 quarts of pan, so I'm gonna try and catch about 1 quart of it. There goes that quart. Okay, I'm making a mess now. A good little mess. See him right here. Maybe I'm just weird. I like the way the Benz oil smells. Oh, while that's finished draining, I'm gonna go get the oil filter changed up. Next, I need to get to that oil filter right there. Pop him off. I need to take this air hose off. Let's get where I'm trying to go. Okay. And that's about as good as it's gonna get. Okay. Let me try and remember what socket goes on there. I'll be right back. Okay. Got a 27 mil long socket. Very tight working spaces. And if you're working on like European cars, you might as well get used to it. Hey, set him down a minute. I don't believe this is the right filter they gave me. It's absolutely not. So I guess I'll make a quick trip to AutoZone. Alright, I got the new oil filter. Just gonna stick it back in where it came from. And the reason I didn't show changing these gaskets, which you should do, is because I didn't do it. Because I think it's gonna be alright. Basically, I know when to stop whenever it becomes it becomes a big hassle to move it anymore. Like if my veins are coming out of my arms, it means it's time to stop pushing. And you'll know. Whenever it gets hard to push, stop. Don't keep pushing it. Alright, so now put everything back the way I had it with the air hose and the cover, and then I'll add the oil. I forgot to film the piece of adding the oil in. To add 6 quarts in, drop it, check your dipstick, and probably add a half quart or a full quart more.
And that's not even water.
That's oil.
Oh, hell. Come on, yeah, go around, sir. Come on. Oh, come on. Oh, damn, he gonna trip me up. Try to get to the dog. Come on. Cars.
Okay, oil drain plug back in. Now I'm just gonna pull some more oil in. We'll wrap that mug up. Alright, now I'm just gonna bag it down these ramps. Got a problem with every time I take up the undercarriage in this car, I lose another piece. Like, I've got a piece over there. I don't know where it goes. I got the, I got undercarriage on, but every time it's one less piece on my undercarriage holding it together. Damn, I don't want to put my hands too many places. I'm not clean enough to be in the car right now.